How to fix Steam WebHelper not responding. Hey everybody, in this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can fix if your Steam's WebHelper is not responding. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up your Steam, and once you have it open, you're going to have to open your task manager. You can do that by using your keyboard shortcut Control plus Shift plus Escape, or you can just right click here on the taskbar and then simply go to your task manager. Once you open up your task manager, you'll find your Steam client web helper right here. You're just going to have to right click on it and then end the task. Or just select the task and then click on end task up top. It will completely close the application. And once that is done, you're going to have to go back and search for Steam here. Then open file location. From here, you're going to have to right click again and then open file location again. Find the Steam exe here, right click on it, and this time you're just going to have to go to properties. Once the properties is open, go to compatibility, and here all you have to do is simply make sure that you run this in compatibility mode, then run this program as administrator, and then you can register the program for restart as well. Click on apply and then OK. Now, once you've done that, your program should start running normally and you should be able to use Steam Web Helper. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.